We've come to this 500-year-old little village in an area called Jiangmen, and it's really well preserved, which is super cool, but it looks like there's a lot of people still living here.
This is what we use when I'm a kid.
When you're a kid?
Not memorize.
The oil lamp
Yes.
instead of electricity.
有，但是没这么精致。怎么说？百香果。
百香果 passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Yeah.
Passion fruit.
百香果 Passion fruit jelly. What ones? Do you know the flavor of these? Like tea? Like green tea?
罗汉果怎么？
罗汉果
A sweet fruit with the.
A sweet fruit.
I don't know.
Okay. I will try it.
当然也不知道是啥。
当然卷，在泰国、马来西亚那边很出名。
哦。
哪个啊？
应该罗汉果。
罗汉果本来就是甜，它本身就是甜。
Tastes like brown sugar, just. Passion fruit. It looks like a passion fruit. It smells like a passion fruit. It's good. It smells more like the passion fruit than the taste. Even in these old towns, they've got the gym equipment for the old people to keep fit. It's great. It's a Russian ice cream shop. The building's nice, at least. Speaking of the building, the architecture in this area is particularly interesting because at the beginning of the 20th century, Jiangmen, the area, opened up to Western trade, which brought a lot of foreigners in, and with it, their architecture style. They roast the peanuts with old orange skin, and it gives it this just like delicious, like citrusy, semi-sweet flavor. They did it with the pork as well. Ooh, some new ones. Wow. Another characteristic of the area are these old watchtowers built in the Ming dynasty and up until even the early 20th century. It's quite unique to this area in particular. Usually like multi-story, essentially just like watchtowers. This is just a random village in Jiangmen area, but the main watchtowers I'll put some pictures in are in or around Kaiping, which is also in a similar area, but a lot of the watchtowers are abandoned now because this area at the beginning of the 20th century saw a lot of migration due to things happening like the Second World War and Japanese invasion, and then the Civil War in China as well. We can go inside this one. Let's see what it's like. Seems like it's just for mahjong now. It seems like most of these are still in use, people living in them, which is crazy. Look how old some of them are. I found an information board about this town in particular. It's got about 200 residents with about 1,500 people abroad in like Hong Kong and Macau. As I said earlier, there was a lot of migration, and in the timelines don't really line up with what I said earlier, but basically 1910s, 1920s, the people came back from abroad with money and built these incredible Chinese villas. These lovely chickens, big chickens. Hello, golden roosters. Some geese in there as well. Careful. You don't want that to fall on your head. Oh, it's clean. Maybe this is to celebrate the diving success at the Olympics, which the Chinese always seem to win. Probably is. This is, but I feel like it's similar to how people have benches commemorating that in the UK. We're staying in this big hotel behind me, which is actually really nice. It's probably the nicest hotel I've stayed in China. We're just about to get Didi to some walking street to probably find some alcohol and some food. Okay, in the middle. I just tried to withdraw money from a Bank of China ATM and it only let me inquire on my balance. It wouldn't let me withdraw anything. So it just shows like it's so important to get your WeChat Pay and your Alipay set up, because like you just might not be able to withdraw any cash. HeyTea is popular in China and they're kind of everywhere, but this is apparently the first ever HeyTea store, established 2012 I guess. Yeah, no wonder there's a big queue. It's all done. It used to be called RoyalTea. It's come a long way. Trying to get the best photo. I guess it's kind of a pretty cool landmark actually. Might be the most famous thing to come out of this city. It's like cream cheese on the top. That's good. That's nice. That's really good. Apparently this particular one you can only get in this store. It's special. It's fantastic.
Yes, yes.
Oh, so you just pick like which dish that you want from there?
Yes.
Oh, interesting. That's good. Good technique. Lamb, ribs, veggies. Another whole feast. Fried pork, I think. dumplings. This is deep fried eggplant, a noodle salad, and chicken with noodles. Traditional Northern Chinese dish. Yeah, Northern Chinese restaurant. And with that, day one of my Jiangmen trip is over. Some chips. Follow me if you want to see what a Chinese hot spring resort is like. Coming up in my next video.